Welcome back to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology. In this lecture, we start part 7 of Morphology of Flowering Plants, focusing on the seed. We'll learn about the structure of seeds, the differences between dicot and monocot seeds, the seed coat and its parts, and why seeds are important for plant reproduction and survival. This topic is very important for exams because questions on seed structure and examples are asked often. Let's get started. In this slide, you can see the syllabus and PYQ topics with their years, so you know what to expect in the exams. Let's start with structure of the seed. A seed is a mature ovule formed after fertilization. It has 3 main parts. The seed coat protects the seed. The embryo is the baby plant with a plumule, shoot, radicle, root, and cotyledons, store food. Some seeds also have an endosperm that provides extra nutrition to the embryo. Let's talk about the types of seed. Seeds are of 2 main types, dicot and monocot. Dicot seeds have 2 cotyledons that store food, like in beans. Monocot seeds have 1 cotyledon. In maize, this cotyledon is called the scutellum, and it absorbs food from the endosperm. This difference is important in plant classification and shows how seeds store and use food. Now, let's talk about the seed coat and its part. The seed coat is the outer covering of the seed, formed from the ovule. It has 2 layers, the outer thick Testa and the inner thin Tegmen. On the seed surface, the hilum is a scar showing where the seed was attached to the ovary. Near it is the micropyle, a tiny pore that lets water enter during germination. These parts protect the seed and help in germination. Let's talk about importance of seeds. Seeds are very important for plants. They help in reproduction by producing the next generation. Seeds store food to nourish the embryo until it can make its own food. They also help plants spread to new places through wind, water, or animals. Many seeds can survive harsh conditions, ensuring the plant species continues. Seeds are also important for humans, providing food, oil, and other products. Let's quickly summarize what we learned about the seed. A seed has 3 main parts, the seed coat, the embryo, plumule, radicle, and cotyledons, and sometimes the endosperm. Seeds are dicots with 2 cotyledons, like bean and gram, or monocots with 1 cotyledon, like maize and wheat. The seed coat has 2 layers, Testa, outer, and Tegmen, inner. The hilum shows where the seed was attached, and the micropyle lets water in for germination. Seeds help in reproduction, storing food, spreading, surviving harsh conditions, and in agriculture. For exams, remember the micropyle, hilum, differences between dicot and monocot seeds with their examples. Let's practice few questions to test your knowledge. Let's start with question 1. A dicot seed is characterized by Option A. 1 cotyledon. Option B. 2 cotyledons. Option C. Endosperm absent. Option D. Embryo without radicle. Explanation. Option A, 1 cotyledon, is incorrect because that is a feature of monocot seeds, such as maize. Option B, 2 cotyledons, is correct because that is a feature of dicot seeds, like in bean and gram. Option C, endosperm absent, is wrong because some dicot seeds may still have endosperm, even though the cotyledons store most of the food. Option D, embryo without radicle, is incorrect because the radicle is always present in the embryo for root development. So, option B is the correct answer, that is 2 cotyledons. Now, let's move to question 2. The micropyle of a seed allows Option A. Attachment to the plant. Option B. Entry of water for germination. Option C. Absorption of nutrients from the cotyledon. Option D. Protection from pathogens. Explanation. Option A, attachment to the plant, is incorrect because that is shown by the hilum. Option B is correct because the micropyle is a small pore that allows water to enter, starting germination. Option C, absorption of nutrients from the cotyledon, is wrong because the micropyle does not absorb nutrients. Cotyledons and endosperm store the food. Option D, protection from pathogens, is incorrect because protection is provided by the seed coat, not the micropyle. So, option B is the correct answer, that is entry of water for germination. That's all for today's lecture on seeds. Revise the parts, types, and importance. Keep practicing with our daily MCQs and PYQ series. Next, we'll learn about fruits, their structure, types, and examples. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, check our daily biology podcast for quick revision. The playlist is in the description and cards above. See you in the next lecture.